So her arm's in this cast that they splinted. She's lost 3 children. She's very young, probably in her mid-20s. And she has this wound to her scalp that's going across her whole scalp. And so I'm cleaning it out, I'm assessing it. It's full of debris from the blast. So there's dust and dirt and all that stuff in there. And then as I'm feeling the skull, I could feel the fracture. So her skull is broken. It's depressed and down. And as I'm doing this, she and her family are making dhikr. It's just like, what is going on here? But that's what I mean by the beauty. This concept of halawatul iman, and that iman has a taste. They taste it. They literally taste it. And so you're there witnessing that. You're trying to experience it yourself. You're trying to be of service to these people. The way I look at it is, if I have the honor of being in service of these people, then inshallah, maybe you get some ajr. There is the horror, but there's also the faith, and the faith kind of outshines everything.